Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in this video we are going to see a simple project or exercise based on React.js, in which what we will do is we will build a user profile card. Okay, now you can see on the screen how our end result is going to look like. Basically, we want to create a user profile card where the details of the users are mentioned, like his profile image, and then their name, description, such kinds of things. Okay, so while creating this project or small exercise, we will learn different concepts like what are children props, reusable components, and some extra stuff. Okay, so before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, because I regularly post these kinds of helpful coding videos for all of you. Let's get started with the problem statement. First of all, let's understand what we need to do in this problem today. See, our goal is that we need to create a user profile card. Okay, it is basically a component, okay, that we will create. It takes the following details via props. Okay, so the details that are going to be submitted in this user profile card component will be what? Name, image, and children prop. Okay, so name and image are our normal props values, and children prop is something which is what it accepts additional content inside the profile card. Okay, like a bio or a description. So whatever additional content is there, we will pass it as a children prop. So here are some detailed steps. If you are not aware how to solve this problem, you can read these steps also. Step 1B, you have to create this component structure. Okay, like your profile card will be the name of the component. Second step is going to be pass the props from parent component, and step 3 is your render the dynamic content. Okay, so let's see in code now. So I have the code on my screen. What we will do is, first of all, we have created this profile card.js. Okay, so this is our component that is for profile card. Okay, now here what we are doing is we are taking the props values as props, right? So we are taking name, image, and children. So children is a children prop. Okay, I'll tell you what it means. So for now we have taken these three props, and then we are displaying the details. So in image we are showing the image. Basically image is a URL. Okay, that it is coming from parent component. Then in S2 we are showing the name, and then children. In children we are showing the description. So here you can see on the screen the image is getting displayed, then the name, and then the description. For styling purpose, I've added some styles. You can get all the code in the description box. Okay, you will get the code link in the description box. Here I will provide my GitHub link, so you can also add these styles if required. Now let's go to app component and see. What we are doing is we are calling our profile card component here, and while calling the profile card component, we are giving few values. We are giving name value, and then we are giving image value. Okay, so name Rahul in first case we have given, and in image we have given the image link. Then children prop will contain this data, okay, which is there inside our profile card component, right? So in this case it is our description, which is React developer loves JavaScript. In the second case it is front-end engineer UI enthusiast. So this will be considered as children and will be passed to this component, that is profile card. So hope you have understood this. It is a very basic exercise, but it will improve your understanding of different concepts like props, what are children props, and how components are reusable. So if you notice, we have just created the profile card once and we are calling it twice. It reduces a lot of code redundancy. We don't have to write the same code again and again. Just calling the component once and creating the component once and calling it twice. If required, I can call it like 5 times also, and 5 different cards will be there. But just I need to change the data of the cards, right? So just see this. So I have copied the same component, right? So I have multiple cards. So in this way you can also create the same. Now let's see one exercise for you. This is a DIY exercise or a homework exercise. You need to write down the answer of this in the comment box. The question is, which of the following statements about React props is correct? It is a MCQ based question. We have 4 options as props can only pass text values. Option B is props cannot be changed inside a component. Option C is props are the same as state, and option D is a component cannot have multiple props. Make sure to write down your answers in the comment box. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure to join me on Telegram and Instagram as well. You can ask your queries in the Instagram DM as well. And if you need any content, you can request it on our Telegram channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet to receive all the latest regular updates. I regularly post off-campus drives and preparation related videos for placements on my channel. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video.